Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the F chord on the piano, also known as F major chord. First, locate your root note F, play this with your first finger, locate the next note, the note A, play this with your third finger, and locate the last note, the note C, play this with your fifth finger. The F major chord. Now, because the F major chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because the root note is at the bottom of the chord. To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note F all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called F first inversion. To make the next inversion, move the bottom note all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called F second inversion. Now you'll notice if we do one more inversion, moving the bottom note all the way to the top, like this, you will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord with the root note at the bottom, only 1 octave higher than where we started from. So this is F root inversion, and this is also F root inversion, right? Now you can of course do this backwards as well, starting with the top note. Move the top note to the bottom of the chord, like this. This is F second inversion. Move the top note to the bottom. This is F first inversion. Move the top note to the bottom. This is F root inversion. Okay? Let's do this one more time. F root inversion, bottom to the top. F first inversion, bottom note to the top. F second inversion, bottom note to the top. F root inversion, top note to the bottom. F second inversion, top note to the bottom. F first inversion, top note to the bottom. F root inversion. Now to practice these inversions, simply do like this. Root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, root inversion. Root inversion, second inversion, first inversion, root inversion. Okay? Now lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the F major chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.